So this is the unit. You have two cameras, one facing front, one facing back, or you can have both of them facing front. They're completely rotatable, as you can see, 180 degrees. So you can have one facing backwards, one facing the front. You have your screen here with all your simple controls. The lenses can also pivot from side to side. So you do have a fair bit of angle, and they are wide angle lenses, 1080p. This is the back side where the mount will actually go. Power cable here. This will be an adapter that will go directly from the Racekeeper itself straight into a cigarette lighter plug or a 12-volt plug in your car, which makes it nice and easy. This is your mount. It just clicks onto the back here, and then this part you're going to mount directly to the windshield. There is a GPS sensor directly built into this unit, so as long as it's on the windshield and it's got a view to the sky, then you'll have a GPS control, and you'll be able to review that on your data when you actually pull it out onto the Comparo software that they use. They give you a little ScanDisk adapter with a 32 gig micro card, but it is very handy because it's actually a continuous recording. So when you get to the point where the card is full, it'll automatically just start over right at the beginning again, and that way you never really lose anything.